Quick tip. European cabinets that have these adjustable legs, right? I have a standalone cabinet here. This house is from 1840 that I'm putting these cabinets in. This is a standalone small little cabinet right as you come in from the doorway, and I want to make sure that the front edge of this cabinet doesn't move around. So I made some blocks, a Forstner bit that accepts the foot, that nailed them down to the floor, and this will keep the front of the cabinet from wanting to walk around or move if somebody bumps it or something, you know, you're moving something around in here, and just attaching it to that back wall is not enough. You need something for up front, and this is a good solution. Hey, be safe in your shop, on your job site. Have a good day, man. Take care. Until the next video. Later.